Who can benefit from furnace financing in Boise, Idaho? Just about everybody. Today, you can get the furnace you actually need instead of settling for the one you can afford with affordable financing options from Peppy Heating and Cooling. A modern high-efficiency furnace from American Standard can improve your Boise home's comfort, provide peace of mind, and deliver increased savings on your monthly utility bill. Why choose to finance your furnace? Instead of paying a chunk of money up front, you can extend your payment out for low interest or even no interest financing. Some people like financing because they prefer a regular scheduled payment that doesn't disrupt their budget. Some like financing options so they can buy a higher quality furnace that meets their needs. Many Boise, Idaho homeowners like the fact that they can avoid using high-interest credit cards or having to dig into their savings. In short, financing is a great way to get amazing comfort for your home while enjoying a low monthly payment. It's easy to find out more. Your project manager will let you know in just a few minutes at your in-home consultation. And if you get approved, you may not even need to put any money down. Your home comfort is about to get better with a high-efficiency furnace and budget-friendly financing options. Get hoppin' good service and friendly advice from the experts at Peppy Heating and Cooling. Call 208-906-6928 today.